Number 5. The Pinaka MBRLS, Multiple Barrel Rocket Launch System, is produced in India by the Defence Research and Development Organisation (DRDO) for the Indian Army. Combat proven in the cold and high-altitude regions during the Kargil conflict in 1999, Pinaka can fire up to 12 missiles, rockets in 44 seconds with a reload time as short as 4 minutes. A single launch system fitted on an 8x8 Tatra truck is loaded with 12 rockets which have a maximum range between 40 km to 65 km. Pinaka makes use of the very advanced inertial navigation system which uses a computer, motion sensors and rotation sensors to calculate the position, orientation, and direction of a moving object. Pinaka is capable of working in different modes, namely autonomous mode, standalone mode, remote mode and manual mode. DRDO is also working on fitting GPS guidance systems on the rockets, and developing missiles with a baffling range of as much as 120 kilometers. What's surprising is the fact that Pinaka is approximately 10 times cheaper than its American peer the M270. Number 4. By far the biggest and the most expensive aircraft carrier in the Indian Navy is this 45,000-kilo sea monster called INS Vikramaditya. It can carry up to 24 MiG-29K fighters and 6 ASW helicopters. INS Vikramaditya is fitted with sensor suites that keep it from being tracked by airborne radar systems. It was bought from Russia on 20 January 2004 at price of $2.35 billion and on 14 June 2014, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi formally inducted INS Vikramaditya into the Indian Navy. More than 70% of the ship has been refurbished and its life expectancy is over 40 years. Number 3. AWACS stands for Airborne Early Warning and Control System, used to detect aircraft, ships and vehicles at long ranges. The Indian Air Force has one of the most advanced AWACS in the world. 3 in active service. The A-50 Falcon AWACS consists of Israeli El-Terel W2090 radar mounted on a Russian Il-76 aircraft. The 360-degree active electronically scanning array radar is stationary while its beams are electronically controlled. The AWACS act as control centers guiding fighter interceptors and tactical air force in battle areas, and can detect targets up to 400 kilometers away. They are fitted with aerial refueling systems and electronic warfare equipment as well. The AWACS are believed to be 10 times faster than well-known systems like the E-3 Sentry. Number 2. The Sukhoi 30 MKI is the frontline and best air superiority fighter of the Indian Air Force. Simply put, a single Sukhoi 30 MKI is equivalent to 2 MiG-29 and 2 Jaguar fighters combined. Costing 358 crore rupees a unit, the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI is a super-maneuverable twin-jet air superiority fighter developed by India's Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Developed from the Su-30MK, where the I stands for India after it was modified to fit Indian war needs by French, Israeli and Indian avionics in collaboration, with an aim to create the ultimate Su-30 variant for India. It can load up to 8 tons of weapons and soon it will be getting fitted with BrahMos and nearby cruise missiles. With 314 aircrafts on order, India is the largest Su-30 operator in the world. Number 1. The world's fastest cruise missile in operation, BrahMos travels at speeds of Mach 2.8 to 3.0. Its air-launch variant has been successfully test-fired and India is now the only country with supersonic cruise missiles in their Army, Navy and Air Force. Compared to other missiles of the same category, BrahMos has 3 times more velocity, 3 times more flight range, 4 times more seeker range and 9 times more kinetic range. The current production rate is said to be 100 missiles per year. Also, the missile guarantees pinpoint accuracy with hypersonic speed throughout the flight. The whole BrahMos project is expected to cost $13 billion.